Welcome to the channel. This is Astha, and guys, this video will going to be very important for all of you, so please don't miss to watch this video. Guys, I'm going to share an interview experience of the selected candidate in Accenture company. Yes guys, one of my subscriber, his name is Jayesh. He got shortlisted as selected in the Accenture company for the position of associate software engineer, and today I'm going to share his complete experience with you so that you all can prepare accordingly, all his preparation tips, interview questions, all the details. So this video will going to be very important if you are preparing for any off-campus drive or if you are preparing for Accenture company, especially associate software engineer or software engineer roles. As you all know guys, Accenture again started hiring of associate software engineer and software engineer role, especially 2021 batch. So guys, in this video I'm going to give you all the tips that are relevant for you to do preparation and crack their interviews. Okay, I'm sharing these interview experiences of the shortlisted candidates, selected candidates with you all, so that you get an idea which type of questions you need to prepare to crack this interview. Okay, and I've already prepared a complete Accenture playlist guys, so you just go and do watch that playlist. It will hardly take you 20 minutes, but you will get detailed idea about the recruitment process of Accenture company. Already shared on my channel the complete playlist of Accenture preparation, about their latest test pattern and syllabus, what you need to do, prepare all the interview questions, how you need to answer those questions, all about the communication test details and the complete overview of the company. Along with that, I have already shared so many interview experiences of the shortlisted candidates in the playlist of interview experiences. Please guys, do watch all those playlists, that will really help you out in your preparation for Accenture interviews. Okay, so let's start with today's video, that is the interview experience of Jayesh. And before that, I would like to congratulate Jayesh for his selection with Accenture company. Guys, Accenture is one of the best company to work with. Okay, and he got selected. It's a really good start for his career. If you too want to do that, please do prepare very nicely. If you want any help from my side, let me know in the comment section. Okay, guys, Jayesh, he got shortlisted for the position of ASE, that is Associate Software Engineer, and he got the package of 4.5 lakhs per annum. Okay, he belongs to CSE branch, Computer Science and Engineering, and 2021 batch. So all the candidates who are going to appear for Accenture interviews and belongs to 2021 batch, please don't miss this video. This is going to be very helpful for all of you. Okay, and he belongs to the college Sanjeevani College of Engineering, Maharashtra. Okay, so guys, I would like to congratulate once again Jayesh for his selection. First, I'm sharing the email that I received from Jayesh's side. He mentioned that he got shortlisted in Accenture as Associate Software Engineer. Thank you so much, ma'am, for being with me always and help me in problem solving. I'm so happy that in my little ways I am able to select in Accenture company. Thank you for all the encouragement and the guidance. Thank you for helping me grow in my career. Really guys, I really want to help you all to grow in your career, to get your dream job. So please don't forget to subscribe the channel. If you too want any help from my side, do let me know in the comment section. I'll try you in any possible ways, any tips if you want from my side. Here he's sharing all his questions guys. This process is usually same. He applied for 2021 batch. I've shared on my channel about the notification from the Accenture side. They started the hiring 2021 batch candidates. Jayesh applied for that batch. Okay, and he got an online assessment test link, coding test link, and he given that test. He cleared that test, coding test, and then he link for communication test. He done with that round 2, and then finally he got an interview mail. Okay, that is for what we all are waiting. He got that interview mail, and during that interview he prepared very nicely, and the first question that the interviewer asked him is, tell me about yourself. That is his introduction. So guys, in all my previous videos also I have already shared with you guys, you need to prepare this question very nicely. Okay, because during interview this question will going to be really going to be a jump start for you. Okay, if you want to crack that interview, this question is the first impression. Okay, so guys, you need to prepare this question. You don't have to stretch your answer so much. Okay, try to finish your answer within 2 to 2.5 minutes, not more than that, maximum 2 to 2.5. Okay, you just need to give your brief introduction, that is your college name, your branch name, your percentages. Then what is important that you need to mention here is about your skills and achievements. Okay, whatever skills you are very good at, if you're good in Java, you have to mention that thing. If you're good in Python, you have to mention that thing. If you have done any certification courses that is relevant to the profile, associate software engineer's role, you have to mention that thing. Okay, because in Accenture, certification courses have an added weightage. Okay, so you need to mention all those things. Those are important for this role. Okay, you don't have to give them any other things. Try to involve all the skills and achievements. If you have done any projects which is very good, like, and if you have done any certification courses, you need to mention that thing. But do careful, mention only those things in which you are really have knowledge. Okay, जस्ट वही चीज़ें मेंशन करो जिस पर आप चाहते हो कि इंटरव्यूअर आपसे क्वेश्चन करे. ओके, because after this question, this is a trick question, guys, because otherwise interviewer know each and everything about you because he has your resume. Okay, and in resume we mention all the things, but this is a trick question, guys. They just wanted to know कि what is most important part about you जिस पर हमें questioning करना है. Okay, so you need to mention all those things. If you're mentioning your hobbies, if you're mentioning your skills, if you're mentioning your strong point, weakness, you have to be very careful. Okay, then this is about the introduction part. Then the next question they asked is project in detail. Again, as I told you, you need to prepare your project nicely. So if you have created your project by yourself, I'm sure you must be aware about that. But अगर आपने नहीं बनाया है अपना project, in that case you have to gather all the possible information about your project. Okay, technicalities भी आपको पता करनी होंगी because maybe they ask you about the technicalities also. Okay, mostly they asked him faced in project how to overcome those difficulties, then difficult subject engineering and how to deal with that subject. Okay, then your hobbies, then your strength and weakness. Any questions for me? That's it. So guys, this is his interview, and interviewer just wanted to know about his hobbies, his strengths, his weakness, and all the details about his project. So interview is not that much difficult. The question level is not that much difficult, but the answer that you give here, that decides whether you are selected or rejected. Okay, in my previous videos also, guys, if you are my subscriber and you do watch all my videos on regular basis, you should know that during Accenture interviews they asked very basic questions, but you need to answer them very nicely. Okay, because your answer only decides whether you are selected or rejected. Okay, so prepare all these questions, guys, and I have already shared a detailed video on Accenture interview questions. Please do prepare all those questions. Those questions will going to be very helpful for you to crack this interview. Okay, you need to mention all the strength and weakness accordingly, and they may ask you questions based on that. They may ask you questions based on your situation based questions, guys, ki any question, like just to check your behavioral skills, your personality, your psychometric skills, because what is going on now in trend is with most of the MNC companies, even Mindtree this time asking most questions based on your behavior, means situation based questions. Okay, so prepare for all those questions. Okay, I have already shared all the details on my channel, guys. You just need to check out my channel. You'll get all the details related to the interviews. Okay, so please do prepare yourself, and the key point is your confidence and your communication skills during the interviews. If you are good at your communication skill and you have confidence, you have a slight smile on your face during the interview, if you are looking that you are a confident person and you can handle any situation in this job, and you just need to give them an impression that I am a good candidate, I have knowledge, whatever skills you have, have knowledge on those skills, and you need to interpret them that yes, I know everything, I have knowledge, and I can handle this position nicely. Okay, and I'm ready to learn, and I'm very much interested in this profile. Guys, that's it. You got shortlisted. Okay. Hey guys, I hope this video is very useful to all of you if you are preparing for Accenture interviews. Guys, all these questions you need to prepare. If you want any help from my side, let me know in the comment box. And I'm going to share all the possible answers also for all these questions very soon. So please don't forget to subscribe the channel.